Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to enable messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp, updated with the newest settings and layout. Whether you're trying to make sure you never miss an important message from someone not in your contacts, or you just want more control over your privacy, this quick guide will help you do it step by step. First, unlock your phone and open your WhatsApp app. It might take a second to load, but once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where all the adjustments to your WhatsApp experience happen. Once inside Settings, tap on the option labeled Privacy. This is where you control who can see your information, contact you, and how messages are managed. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach a section called Advanced. It's usually near the bottom of the privacy page. Tap on it to open a new set of options related to message and account settings. Inside this advanced menu, look for a setting called Block Unknown Account. If this toggle is turned on, WhatsApp will automatically block messages from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. To start receiving those messages, simply toggle this option off. That's it. You've now successfully allowed messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp. From now on, if someone new messages you, their text will show up directly in your chat list instead of being filtered out. Keep in mind that while this opens you up to hearing from anyone, it also means you might receive more messages from unfamiliar numbers. It's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing personal details until you're sure who you're talking to. And there you go. You've just updated your WhatsApp to start receiving messages from anyone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might need it too.